U-Boat, an Italian watch brand with nearly 20 years of history, is known for its handcrafted limited edition timepieces designed by Italo Fontana. Each watch reflects the finest Italian craftsmanship and embodies the essence of Tuscany. Here are our top 3. The U-Boat Summerso Round Watch. Two-tone watch features a green and black bezel and dial powered by Swiss automatic movement. It is water resistant up to 300 meters. It also has white Superluminova for visibility in low light. The U-Boat Darkmoon Watch. It features a unique design filled with a special oil that creates an illusion of no glass and enhances visibility. The visible air bubble adjusts for temperature changes. With a left side crown, scratch-resistant sapphire glass, and reliable quartz movement, this watch is a must-have for any watch enthusiasts. Lastly, we have the U-Boat Classico Watch. This timepiece runs on a Swiss automatic movement, offering a 44-hour power reserve. The watch features a stainless steel case and a sapphire crystal glass. Its grey dial with beige luminous markers ensure easy reading, while the watch's water resistance is up to 100 meters. Comment below what you want us to cover next.